Laid back with a fat ass, watch it bounce. You know the facts, at the eye smash, I bounce. We don't fake flex, we just chase checks that don't bounce. Break necks, once that bass hit, let it bounce. Bankroll, bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, bankroll, yeah, bounce it.
What's the deal, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today I got a special treat for you guys. Who here who owns a Subaru WRX, STI, Infinity, Dodge Ram Sport, any type of muscle car, who here always wanted to make that car sound a little better, sound a little meaner? I'm pretty sure 99% of you guys who own these cars, they definitely want to ramp up the exhaust. Now, I have a pretty sweet exhaust on my car. Well, obviously, I'm 450 at the wheels and I have a full turbo back exhaust system. My catback is an agency power catback exhaust. But, you know, it still has the mufflers on it. Now, it's not quite. It's pretty freaking... It's pretty up there once I get on it on the highway or, you know, decently on the street. But I met a guy. His name is Peter. He works for the shop CT in Connecticut. And Peter has decided to donate his Nameless Performance catback exhaust with muffler deletes to me for the channel. And I think that's freaking dope right there. So today is Saturday, November 2nd. And what I'm going to be doing is I have to take off my custom diffuser. As you can see right here, I got the box and the ramps and stuff here already. Got to take off my custom diffuser. And in order for us to, well, for me to put the car on the ramps and get that exhaust on. So Peter will be stopping by tomorrow and he will be helping me with the installation of the catback exhaust system. And I can't wait to hear how this shit is gonna sound. It's gonna be freaking dope. So guys, as I said, it's a special treat and I'm really, really excited. And I really can't wait for this stuff. I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, so the diffuser is out, nice and clean, real easy. For my downpipe, 3 inches all the way back on this exhaust. Shit is like brand spanking new. That's how I keep my shit, man. All right, people, I'm about to wrap this bad boy up. All I got to do now is spray down the bolts with some PB Blaster in preparation for tomorrow. And that's really it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Shit, here these dudes come now. There you go. All the way from freaking Connecticut, man. right, guys, as promised, Pete from the shop CT showed up. Man kept his word. Brought his boy Mike over here. Bought his sweet ass Subi as well. Pete, what year is that?
2011.
It's a 2011. So this is the man right here, Pete. Him and his boy Mike right here. They're gonna be helping to do the install. And I'm just gonna run through what we're gonna do real quick. Obviously, you see the Hulk already on the ramp. Pete, tell us about your car, man.
It's 2011. Bottom end's fully built by the shop CT. Everything you could think of, other than a couple little things. I got everything done to it. Tile blow off, ETS front mount, TGV deletes, the whole nine.
Let me tell you, the car sounded really, really good coming down the street. I know the camera won't do it justice, but the car sounded pretty good.
If I had the old exhaust on, it would be.
I hear you.
We'll hear that. We'll hear that.
All right, I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'll give you guys a quick walk. Guys, we're about to take a little peek, see what the hell he got up in here before he actually pops his hood. See a freaking tile blow-off valve. Cobb sticker on it. You said an ETS, Pete?
Yeah.
All right, let this man pop this hood real quick. Ah, look at that custom Dixie freaking Subaru layover. Freaking dope. Looks good, man. What are your numbers if you don't mind telling the people?
Just under 400 wheels to the wheels.
That's pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Pretty damn good.
I'm out full down pump, no flex.
Damn, so you know if you had ethanol in there, you'd be way in the fours.
Oh yeah. I mean,
real
our
easy.
dyno, we read true numbers, so I'm just under 4.
No correction.
Any other dyno, I'll be over 4. Add the 85 to that, I'll be up there.
Most definitely. I love it, man. Real quick walk around. Love this. That's freaking dope. I like the color too, man.
Oh, that's the best part. Had no idea it was a limited color until I got the car.
It is. I just noticed it now. And this is the best part right here. Louder than your girlfriend last night. That's what I'm talking about. All right, here you go, guys. He's taking that bad boy right now, and he actually left that whole thing mounted up in there. I don't even know how that shit even fit. You can put it here, Pete. Put it right in the grass. Yup, perfect. Nice. And the best part I like about this shit is freaking V-bands too.
2. One here and one there.
Yup, that's what I love. That's what I love about this.
Oh yeah.
This shit's gonna be loud as fudge. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, this is going
Mike, what you doing over there, man? Checking on his vape supplies. That's what I'm talking about. All right, perfect. We're about to run through this shit real quick. About to show these boys under the hood real quick for Hulk. Go ahead, Pete. You can do the honors.
Yo, the flake in the paint is nice. Woo! Good.
You want to trade
You like that, right? Shit is no joke.
I really like this.
Oh, most definitely. That dry sock, you never know.
Definitely need that.
You never know. Look at this shit. Never leave home without it. Nice job, Mike. Nice job. All right, guys. We're about to do this install real quick. Well, these gentlemen are about to do this install real quick. I just have the pleasure of hosting their company. Shit, and he bought a little bit of freaking impact shit too.
Never leave home without it.
Nice. Oh, that PB blaster worked great.
It was mint.
That's what I'm saying. All right, guys, about to time lapse through this shit real quick. Talk to you guys soon.
Cock that motherfucker back.
Alright guys, so we got the axle back off, we got the Y pipe on a jack stand right there just to support it, and we're about to finish up the rest right now. What you guys want to do? Take the Y pipe off, or?
I think so. Go straight back to the pipe. Because it's supported back here. Yeah, it's supported. Yeah, let's do it.
See that? Meeting of the mind. See that shit, guys? The most essential part of this whole setup is that cardboard right there. Never leave home without it. How the hell you gonna lay down? Guys, remember, anytime you're doing an exhaust, call the slimmest dude you know. Holy shit, bro. We're literally doing this with the car just on the ramp and no jacking up at all. Well, hopefully. Guys, I just want to show you how freaking brand new this exhaust is. This is my old agency power mid pipe with the Y pipe. Shit is literally brand new. So you guys just saw Pete pulled out my old agency power from under the car with the time-lapse video. This is the freaking Nameless right here. This shit is almost as like brand new as well. With the shiny ass tips. Alright, we're about to put this bad boy in and hear how it sounds. Alright guys, the freaking mid pipe is done. Now it's time for the Y pipe attached with the axle backs. Here we go.
To the rhythm, you're my greatest discovery. Please fall in love with me, even though you could have anyone. Take a chance on it. You're my greatest discovery. Please fall in love with me, even though you could have anyone. Take a chance on a good man. Greatest discovery. I love your company. Look what you done for me. Love deep like a submarine. Push up on me close, baby, push them closer. I'm here temporary, so don't get your hopes up. Don't say nothing, cálete la boca. Play with a full deck, put aside them jokers. Remember when you used to travel on that coach bus? Now we'll put that green in your pocket so you can roll up. I ain't talking about that shit you used to smoke up. I don't do it for me, I do it for both of us. No illusions of lust, no ifs, ands, or buts. This love was not luck, got the blueprint for us. That's the future for us. If a new sense erupts, we gon' fucking adjust.
Alright guys, the final phase. Got the jack stands on there just to help us with the measurements. Because it's dead ass even. And you know me, gotta have that measuring tape. Got Mike over here still. You good?
That's it. Tighten up the downpipe.
Alright. He's about to tighten up that downpipe, guys. And it's about to be a first start.
Cold start.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Just completed. Diffuser back on. Shit sounds good. Looks good. Special thanks to my boys Pete. Got Mike up in there hiding. Like, those guys definitely did right by me and the channel. And we're about to take this bad boy for a test run. I'll talk to you guys soon.